Hi Year 10, welcome to your introductory tutorial on your Term 3 milestone for science, which is building earthquake-proof structures. In this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an introduction on how the milestone works and where to access other tutorial videos to help you work your way through. So let's get started. What to expect over the next 3 weeks. Now, just to be very, very clear, there is no actual due date for this milestone task at the moment due to the fact that we've gone on to offsite learning and that we feel is stressful enough in itself. But we thought giving you a milestone and something to work on over the coming weeks would be really beneficial for you guys to stay engaged and occupy your time. But there is no due date before the end of term on your milestone, so you do have plenty of time to work on this, but just over the next 3 weeks is when I'm going to be providing you guys with the information on how to complete each part in a really structured step-by-step way. So a brief introduction over to how the next 3 weeks is going to work. The task and how it works. So each week I'm going to give you a focus to work on within your milestone task. Now you can complete more than one focus at a time and smash out this milestone all in one go if you want, but I am actually going to stagger out the process over the next 3 weeks for those of you who don't want to do it all in one big go, just to cater to everybody at the moment. So let's just have a quick look at what your task looks like. You should have gotten your task in the mail by now, and it looks like this. Stage 5 science, the Earth. Milestone number 3, earthquake-proof structures. It says that it's due week 10, but as discussed, there is no hard and fast due date on your milestone task. It's worth 25%. Here are the outcomes that your milestone is going to cover. And as talked about before, there are 3 sections which I'm going to call focus points. Focus 1 is looking at tectonic plates, and that's what we're going to be doing this week. So week 8, which is your first week of offsite learning with your milestone task. So that's our focus for this week. There's a separate tutorial video for focus 1 that runs you through exactly how to do that. Focus 2 is going to be done in week 9, so the following week, and that is going to be focused on how do earthquakes happen. And again, there'll be a separate tutorial video for that one, talking you through how to do that step 2. And the last one is focus 3, which is designing your earthquake-proof structure, where you actually get to build that earthquake-proof structure as well. You should have received some little packs with your milestone tasks that look like this. And within your pack, you will have some plasticine, styrofoam balls, toothpicks, paddle pop sticks, some black bendy straws, and some pipe cleaners. And these are the resources that you're going to be using to build your earthquake-proof structure. So please don't do anything hectic with those guys just yet until you get to that stage in your milestone task. Okay, we've just been through your building resources. I have set up a YouTube channel called Skillset Dubbo Offsite Learning with Rach, which is going to be your one-stop shop for everything related to your milestone task and also anything fun that you guys might be interested in too. So I'll be posting also some fun science videos that I myself have created and also just ones that I find on the internet that I think are awesome. So that YouTube channel will be your one-stop shop for everything you need to complete your milestone task. There is the link for my YouTube channel, but I will also be posting that on Facebook, so you guys can just click straight into it. Easy as that. Okay, as discussed before, Focus 1 will occur this week, which is between Wednesday the 1st of August and Tuesday the 7th of August, which is wrong. It should say September. I apologize. Wednesday the 1st of September to Tuesday the 7th of September. And that's going to be looking at tectonic plates and tectonic plate boundaries, which is page 2 and 3 of your milestone task. Focus 2, which is week 9, which is Wednesday the 8th of September, not August, but September, to Tuesday the 14th of September. And that's going to be looking at, number 1, questions answered from last week's task, which we can do an optional live video for if you would like to go down that road. and it will focus on how do earthquakes actually happen, which is page 4 of your milestone task. Focus 3 will happen in week 10, which will be Wednesday the 15th of September to Friday the 17th of September. And again, that will have questions answered from last week's task with that optional live video if you guys would like to. And it will be looking at building earthquake-proof structures, which goes from pages 5 to 10 of your milestone task. So that is what to expect from your milestone task. I'll just show you the YouTube channel. So when you click into the YouTube channel, this is what it looks like. It's called Skillset Dubbo Offsite Learning with Rach. And if you go into playlists over here, there'll be a number of playlists that you can just click into to get all of those. So if you click into your Focus Milestone playlist here, it's got all of those videos already uploaded, ready for you to go. So for this week, your focus is to look at Focus 1, tectonic plates. There's a video there for you guys to have a look at. You can just do that video this week if you want to and just do Focus 1 of your milestone task. Or if you're feeling particularly bored or particularly keen to keep going with it, you are more than welcome to come and click on Focus 2, watch Focus 2 and keep working through your milestone task. And same with Focus 3. You're not restricted to just doing one each week, but I have staggered it out that way so you guys don't feel the pressure to do all of those focuses or that whole task all in one big go. So those are all sitting there ready for you to go, and all of your resources, there'll be a number of resources that you can watch for each focus as well, which I will provide links to and which are also featured in each of the focus videos, but they can all be found in here. And they're all in order, ready to go for you to watch to help you work through your milestone task. So that's it from me. That is your introduction to your Term 3 milestone, building earthquake-proof structures. I hope that this has been really helpful. Please post any questions that you might have in the YouTube comments or on Facebook, and I will do my best to answer them and help you work your way through your milestone task. Most of all, have fun with it. Have fun building, have fun learning, have fun testing, and please post great videos and photos of everything that you create and that you do, because I would love to see it and keep up with what you guys are doing. Thank you very much. Hopefully, I will see you all very soon.